Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the domain and account ready. Now act. Log into your registrar, locate the domain's name server settings, and prepare the DNS provider you'll use. Once done, copy the authoritative name server host names from the DNS provider and replace the registrar's defaults. Make sure to set a sensible TTL baseline, short for testing, longer for production, so changes propagate predictably. This step hands authoritative control to the DNS host, which is necessary before adding records and pointing services. With name servers delegated, begin adding the core records in the DNS provider's console. Create a records for bare and www hosts. Add AA if you have IP6. Use CNAME for subdomain aliases and MX records to route mail. Prioritize MX weight properly. Then add TXT entries for domain verification and email authentication. SPF, DKIM public keys, and DMARC policy. These prevent spoofing and improve deliverability. Take your time to name hosts consistently. Now validate everything. Query authoritative name servers with DIG or ENSLOOKUP to confirm records and that delegation is correct. Make sure websites, mail flows, and any API endpoints reach the intended IPs. Check DNSSEC if enabled. Once satisfied, allow TTL-driven propagation, short TTL speed testing, then increase for stability. If something breaks, recheck registrar name server entries, common typos in host names or IPs, propagation timing, and any firewall or server-side rules. These are the usual causes of DNS failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.